Hi everyone, Anne here at the clinic at Upgrade Labs, and I wanted to introduce you to a new product we're providing called vFit Plus. This is a biohacked medical device for women's sexual wellness. I'm going to show you the device and explain some of the features. Not only does this device have sonic vibration technology as well as heat, but it also provides red light LED therapy. So the reason this was so important for us to bring into the clinic at Upgrade Labs is because there aren't a lot of things provided for women's sexual health and well-being, and it's incredibly important to a woman's core. Even though you may not benefit from something like this, you might know someone who experiences incontinence, vaginal dryness, and pain during intercourse. So we really hope you'll contact us to get educated on how vFit Plus could satisfy you or someone you really love and care about. Please contact us at our Santa Monica and Beverly Hills locations where we're providing the product, and we're happy to talk with you more.